1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So anyway, oh, who's that? It's not her, is it? Is it? Oh, go over and say hi. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, then keep watching this hypnosis video. It's going to be fun. Hi, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis, and we're back with this lovely girl. You've seen her before. I'll put a link to the induction video and previous video from her. She's dressed obviously as Emilia Clarke from the Game of Thrones, lovely character here, and this week she's looking for the dragon's egg. I give her the suggestion that when she wakes up, she's lost the dragon's egg and she has to stop and ask people about it. Now, what's very important with a suggestion like this is that you put in sort of limits to where she can go. So you hear me tell her that she can't leave the room, this large sort of hallway that we're in. Otherwise, there's a possibility that she's so impassionate, especially as she's dressed like that character, she's going to think the dragon's egg is lost. She could run a mile asking people left, right and centre where the dragon's egg is. So it's important that we put limitations, as you can't leave the room, but you ask people all around you as to where the dragon's egg has gone. What I love about this suggestion is very interactive. We're getting the subjects that's been hypnotized to engage with other people. And what's lovely is when these sort of suggestions are given, the subjects, the people that are not hypnotized but are being interacted with, always play along. I've never failed to have someone play along, whether they think they're a certain character from a movie or whatever. They just play along. It's not that they say, clear off, don't ask me. They understand what's going on at some level and interact with the person. And this is a lovely video example of this. You see her running around to several people and asking, have you seen the dragon's egg? And they go, no, well, maybe it's over there, or maybe so-and-so has it. It's a lovely video. Now, the audio for this at times is not the best because she's running around so much, even in this hallway and staying inside the hallway, that the lapel mic that I had wasn't up close and picking up exactly what she says. But hopefully turn up the volume if you need to, because she was a great character and really got into the character as she already was with the way she was dressed. So after we play out that skit, I then want to do the when you wake up you see someone and that's your favourite characters. Now, so I understand who she's going to see when she wakes up, I first of all just ask her, who's your favourite character? Now, did I really need to ask if it was going to be Emilia Clarke? Well, she could have had 2 or 3 different favourite characters, so it's better to be sure, so that when she wakes up and I say, who's that over there? And sometimes they just go, oh, and they can't speak, so it's important to sort of get that information beforehand, and I've learned that through bad experience. So I ask her to imagine that when she wakes up she's going to see her favourite movie star, her favourite TV star in this case, and I really layer it on. So when I'm giving out suggestions like that there, I'm putting passion and excitement that you would have if you saw your favourite movie star into my voice. You're going to see them, you're going to get excited, you're going to really want to say hello, you're going to want to get an autograph, and I'm talking in this excited, fun, high-pitched voice because I'm trying to convey that feeling, that suggestion to her, and I'm putting my whole animation into it. Even though she's got her eyes closed as I make them the core of the suggestion, I'm really putting my heart and soul into the suggestion so that she reflects that when she wakes up. When she wakes up, I go, oh my God, what's that? Like a best friend, that's walking around with you and going, oh my God. And immediately, I'm mirroring what she's doing because she's putting her hands to her mouth as well. Who is that? I can't remember. Who is that? Now, she told me her favourite character is Emilia Clarke, and I've made the suggestion that when she wakes up, she's going to see her favourite character. But still, there's the possibility that when she wakes up, she will see a different favourite character. So I always want to make sure, if I say, oh my God, who is that? And she goes, yeah, it's Emilia Clarke. So again, you can see the way she runs over and she's excited, and it's clear that in her mind she believes she's seeing that, and it's wonderful again experience to just see the expression on her face. Look at the person that's not in hypnosis, the person she thinks is Emilia Clarke plays along. She has been listening to the suggestion I've been giving her, and she knows who she's supposed to be, and she plays along beautifully and gets into character, and again that always helps with the situation. Never worry about engaging other people in your skits, because they'll be good, you know, fun. They will follow along and they'll enjoy the experience with the girl in hypnosis. So never be worried about engaging other people. Keep the conversation flowing. When I say get a selfie and somebody else is getting a camera out, there's a bit of a pause there, so I try to fill that gap by saying, wow, did you know she was going to be at QCon today? Again, listen to that phrase. It's a presupposition that it is her, and you're asking the question, did you know she was at QCon? A lot of rich language and hypnotic suggestion even in those phrases, and again, she's excited, she said no. So it all adds to the fun of that skit, and you know, makes it really enjoyable. Another key tip is make sure you have your props. One of the key things I like to run with this skit is to say, you know, get an autograph, and rather than just getting a pad and a pencil and a piece of paper, I say, you know, get a pen, write it on get her to sign your arm, because that's what, you know, real movie stars do. So rather than relying on someone in the area having a pen, I always carry a Sharpie with me. It's one of my key little props. So I get that pen out of my pocket and I say, oh, get an autograph, and hand the pen straight over so we can move along smoothly with that prop, you know, that skit, without, you know, similar to when I was saying about we had to fill a moment while somebody got a camera out. You want to make sure that those props are there and at hand. So I hope you enjoy those two skits. I hope you see the structure of the suggestions that I'm putting through there and how it's crafted, and enjoy those little tips. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like. Don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button so you get notified next time a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. I really want to keep you informed of the latest in hypnosis videos. If you have any comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. I want to hear what you thought of this video, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Tell us, give us feedback so I can respond to you and give you the next video exactly the way you want it. In the meantime, let's watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes. And you're not going to be feeling stuck to the floor. You'll be able to move your feet again. But just as quickly as you move your feet, you're going to realise you've lost your dragon's egg. That's right, you have lost the dragon's egg, and you have to look around. You have to ask people as they walk past. You will not leave this area, but you're going to ask people if they have got that dragon's egg. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes.
Where did I go?
Have you lost something?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you seen that? I don't like that.
You live in the dragon egg?
Yeah.
I've seen it somewhere over there.
Check behind the statue. Maybe it's behind the statue.
I found a shoe.
You found a shoe, but it's not a dragon's egg. Maybe one of these people have it.
Sorry? I've not seen any dragon eggs.
Excuse me, sir, have you seen it? I had it and
I've never been asked that before, but no, I haven't seen anything.
I put it there. I don't know where it is. I think someone stole it.
No idea. Sorry.
What about these 3 over here? Ask these 3
Where
people.
did you set it down?
I haven't seen it, sorry.
Look at me, and sleep now. Way down, deeper, 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 relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. Drifting, sinking down. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, when you open your eyes, you will no longer feel like you've lost your dragon's egg. But when I ask you who your favourite movie star is, when I ask you who your favourite movie star or favourite TV programme star is, you're going to tell me. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How's it going?
Good, yeah.
Tell me this, who's your favourite TV programme star or movie star? Who would it be?
Probably Emilia Clarke.
Who's that?
Emilia Clarke.
Emilia Clarke. Yeah. Sleep now, way down, deeper, 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 relaxed. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes. You're going to see a lady with a black hat on. You're going to see a lady with a black hat on just standing in front of you, and she is Emilia Clarke. Oh my goodness, she is your favourite star, and you've been dying to meet her, and you didn't know she was coming to QCon, but you're getting excited, and you feel that excitement building up inside you, really excited, and you're going to want to ask her for an autograph. You're going to want to maybe get a selfie with her. You're going to tell her how much you love her stuff. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So anyway, oh, who's that? It's not her, is it? Is it? Go over and say hi.
Hi, it's so lovely to meet you. Nice to meet you. Really, we'll get a photo. Of course.
Wow. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? Get a selfie.
Have you back on your phone? Yeah, use my phone. Alright, let's get a selfie.
Wow, isn't that lovely? Did you know she was a QCon?
Oh, I didn't know.
Wow.
I just come to see my friends. Oh, thank you. I'm Ash.
This way. This way for the camera.
Like the altitude and stuff, and you know, sit down. Yeah, of course. Sir.
I know. Have you got an autograph? Get an autograph.
Yeah, like I
Here,
don't have
tell you what. I got a pen. Can you roll your sleeve up and get an autograph? There you go. Wow. Did you think you were going to get an autograph?
No, I didn't really think.
Wow. What do you think your best, movies are, TV programs are?
Well, like obviously Game of Thrones.
Exactly.
What else? I can't wait till I open the movie or Christmas movie.
Yeah, wow. So tell her how much you love her in Game of Thrones.
It's really, really good. You know, like your acting and stuff, and like your character development, how that things like broken woman, to, like this big, Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate you coming here as well.
Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go.